October 13th, 2024, Sunday, and kagabi nga ay pumunta kami sa haunted house. And sobrang nakakatakot talaga siya, guys. I mean, for me, kasi hindi ako talaga ganun ka-fan ng horror movies. Although nanonood kami ni Ken, yung iba na to tolerate ko, yung iba is natatakot talaga ako, but nanonood pa rin ako kasi yun yung favorite nga ni Ken. Sinasamahan ko siya. And ayun, I just like spending time with him and ginagawa yung mga bagay na ine-enjoy niya. And natakot ako, guys, dun sa haunted house kasi they went all out, as in parang nasa set ka ng horror movie. And yung ayaw ko lang talaga is yung ginugulat ka kasi sobrang dilim, and then all of a sudden may humahawak sa'yo. Hindi ka naman nila hinihila, but parang hinahawakan yung buhok, parang yun yung ayoko talaga yung feeling na ganun. But then it was good. Sobrang natakot lang talaga ako. That means na sobrang ganda ng haunted house na for me sobrang effective siya sa akin. Sobrang natakot ako. And yung mga actor sobrang effective din nila kasi sobrang nakakatakot din sila. And I think it lasted around 15 to 20 minutes inside the haunted house. And then after that, nag-ikot-ikot kami sa mga exhibits, and then nagpa-picture, nagpa-autograph kami kay Bill Moseley. So ayun, and we got home around 10:30 na ata. So, it was all good. Sobrang ninervyos lang talaga ako sa haunted house. And I think nakapikit ako half the time or most of the time. And sumisilip lang ako once in a while. Sobrang nakakatakot talaga. Basta. So, ayun. And right now, it's almost lunchtime. Prepare lang kasi mag-errands kami ni Ken today. Kailangan kong bumili ng mga sweater ata. Kasi lumalamig na talaga, and I make sure na nakakapagdala ako ng sweater everyday sa work. Kasi lumalamig na nga talaga. Especially sa umaga and then sa hapon. Midday, hindi pa masyadong ganun kalamig sa tanghali. But pag lumalabas ako in the afternoon, nararamdaman ko yung lamig din. So, ayun. And yun. And I'm feeling much better right now. Effective yung gamot na nainom ko. Nag-self-medicate lang ako, guys. So, thank God, nag-work naman. And, we just took it easy. Nag-relax and nag-nap. And, late din kaming gumising this morning. Kasi nga, late din kaming natulog kagabi. Late na kaming dumating from that haunted house na yung event. But then, all went well, all went good, and ayun. So, errands day to day namin, and ayun. Bukas, back to work, and kailangan namin gawin yung mga errands, yung mga grocery shopping, and stuff like that. So, update you guys later. So, nag-drive-thru lang kami, and we're just waiting for our turn to get our orders. And then, we'll bring it back sa bahay. Doon kami magla-lunch, and then, alis ulit kami for our errands. Gutom na ako, guys. It's almost 1 p.m. It's 12:46 ng tanghali. So, I'm excited. Excited na akong kumain. Kain tayo, guys. So, I'm having chicken tenders and fries, and Ken's having double cheeseburger and fries. And then we're gonna have apple pie for dessert. Let's eat. Kanina pa kami nakaalis ng bahay at may mga napuntahan na rin kami. Thanks, my love. And kagagaling lang namin sa jewelry store kung saan namin nakuha yung wedding bands namin and kung saan din nakuha ni Ken yung engagement ring. Kasi, we're due for yung every 6 months na inspection and cleaning. So, ayun, malinis na ulit yung mga sing-sing namin. And kay Ken, can you show them? Here, ring mga, it's nice and clean. Malap. Ayun guys. So, hingal ako. Pumunta nga pala kami kanina sa sa TJ Maxx, naghanap ng payong. Kaso hindi namin nagustuhan yung payong. And nagtingin-tingin din kami ng mga jacket and sweaters. May nakita akong sweater. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Okay. Sorry. Ayun guys. So, ayun lang. And now we are about to go to Walmart. And meron din kasi silang mga sweaters doon. So magtingin-tingin kami. And then konting grocery doon. Yes. Ayun lang. It's a sunny day today. Pero nakasuot ako ng cardigan kasi hindi pa ako 100% feeling back to normal. Medyo nilalamig pa rin ako ng konti. But I feel much better than yesterday. So ayun. Let's go. Okay. So ayun guys. Sobrang bilis lang namin dun sa sa K Jeweler. It took us around less than 15 minutes lang. And thank God, wala namang missing na walang kompleto lahat ng bato. So, ayun. And Walmart is around 10-minute drive siguro. Lapit lang. Ganda ng panahon ngayon. Kung di lang ako may pa kasi, may sipon, ganun. Pero mas mas umokay na yung pakiramdam ko. And hopefully back to normal na kasi bukas back to work ulit. So ayun lang. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung sweater. Maganda kasi yung niya, yung kulay. Parang hindi ko na sa panahon ngayon, parang kailangan ko na talaga magsuot ng something on top of my t-shirt. Kasi malamig na talaga guys. Ako nilalamigan ako kasi hindi ako sanay sa ganitong weather. Alam niyo naman sa Pilipinas, diba, mainit and humid. So ngayon, start ng lumamig. So ayun, kailangan ko nang mag-layer. Magpatong-patong ng mga damit. So ayun. Naantok ako. Hindi ako nag-nap. Wala pa akong, hopefully makapag-nap man lang kami ng konti mamaya bago kami mag-dinner. Kasi medyo naantok ako. Are you sleepy, my love?
Dili.
Dili is hindi or no. So Bisaya kasi ako guys. So tinuturuan ko siya mag-Bisaya. So ayun.
Ikaw?
What?
Ikaw?
Me?
Oo.
I'm a bit sleepy, yeah. Oo.
Sige.
Ayan guys, maraming mga sweaters dito. Let's see. Good morning guys! Happy Saturday! It's October 19th, 2024 and medyo wala akong boses guys kasi nagkasakit ako. I got a bad cold and medyo I'm feeling better but still yung boses ko medyo pa. But my point talaga this week na parang wala talaga lumalabas na boses but I still went to work and yun lang naman talaga yung problema ko, yung cough and then yung yung drainage, yung runny nose ko. But I'm feeling much better. And today is a good day for a pork adobo. Me and Ken are both craving for it. So we're going to Ricardo's today to pick up adobo and rice. Alright, my love. So yun guys. Di ko alam kung manonood kami ng movie today. But we'll see. I'm gonna update you. Sorry, parang pangit talaga. Pangit pakinggan yung boses ko, but this is the best na ito yung pinaka the best kong boses na ngayon. Nahihirapan ako kasi may ubo pa rin, tapos ayun, but it's okay. I'm just so happy na it's weekend again, and nairaos ko yung first 2 weeks ko sa aking trabaho, and I'm enjoying it, and ayun, gustuhan ko kasi yun yung ideal na schedule ko sa work, na daytime lang talaga and walang weekends. So walang tumatawag kapag gabi, mga ganon, yung mga paki-check ng email, mga ganon. Hindi guys, so trabaho lang talaga pag uwi, personal life, parang ganon. So yun yung ideal na gusto ko sa isang trabaho, work-life balance, right my love? Yeah, so thank God na doon ako dinala ni Lord, binigay ni Lord na trabaho. So ayun, so it's gonna be around 30-minute drive. It's gonna be a nice drive, and we've got nice weather today. It's sunny, but it's chilly at the same time. So I brought my sweater kasi lamigin ako. So, and since recover pa tayo sa cold, so dapat may dalang protection sa lamig. So ayun, I'll see you guys later. Dito na kami, waiting for our orders. So ayan. Morning, happy Sunday. It's October 2024. And yung last na vlog ko was yesterday nung pumunta kami ng Ricardo's. Yun nga yung kinain namin for lunch, and di na ako nakapag-vlog guys. Kasi I think I wasn't really that feeling well pa talaga. And lang kami kahapon after namin mag-lunch is pumunta kami sa bahay ng sister ni Ken. Nag-hangout lang doon ng konti, and then umuwi. Hindi na kami na lumabas ulit para manood ng movie. Nag-stay in lang kami. And pagka-uwi namin galing sa bahay ng sister ni Ken, nag-nap. And then for dinner, nagluto lang din ako dito sa bahay. So we just nag-relax lang talaga kami guys, kasi syempre kailangan natin magpagaling kasi bukas back to work. So ayun. So right now it's still 8 o'clock, 8:05 ng umaga, and lulutuin ko tong nagluto ako ng spam kagabi and rice for dinner. And hindi ko siya niluto lahat. So yung kalahati lulutuin ko ngayon. Gagawin ko siyang spam rice. So ayun. First time ko itong gawin guys. First time ko itong gawin na yung ihahalo ko yung spam sa rice. Kasi usually separate yung pagkaluto. Ayan. So, may 6 minutes left yung nagluto na, sinain ko na yung kanin. So, pagkaluto nun is gagawin ko na siyang fried rice. But before that, ifa-fry ko muna tong spam. Ayan. So, may sipon pa rin ako. But, much better than yesterday. And then, lalabas din kami ni Ken for lunch. And we're gonna do our grocery shopping as well. And we'll see if manunod kami ng movie today. Kasi may movie na gustong panoorin si Ken sa sinehan. So, since nag-relax lang kami kahapon, although nanood naman kami ng movie, pero dito lang sa bahay. After namin mag-dinner, so we watched Nightmare on Elm Street. So, yung pinanood namin. And, nag-enjoy ako. So, we'll see mamaya kung pupunta kami ng manood kami ng movie sa sinihan. Kasi it's been a while, guys. This month, hindi pa kami nakapunta ng sinihan. Talaga, usually naman talaga pupunta kami every weekend. But, syempre, nagkasakit. Tapos, naging busy din the past few weeks. So, hopefully, mamaya. Ready na to, guys. So, ito yung breakfast namin today. So, ginisa ko lang siya ng onion, tapos nilagyan ko ng egg, salt, garlic powder, and soy sauce. Ayan lang. Tapos yung rice is mix siya ng white and brown rice. Kunwari healthy. Char. So, ayun. Kain tayo, guys. Prime rice and then tea. Ito. Ginger lemon tea. Kasi may ubo pa. Ken's here, but yan na. Kasi hindi pa kami nakaligo and all. So, ako lang muna. So, let's eat. Hi, it's 11:37 na lang.
Turn right.
11:37 a.m. na, and then after kami nag-breakfast, we just took a shower and then cleaned up, and ayun. And now, since me and Ken decided to go out for lunch, and may explore kaming restaurant, and we're quite excited na pumunta doon kasi ako first time ko. Si Ken, yung last na nakapunta siya doon, it was like 20 years ago, so we're both looking forward to it. It's called Irondale Cafe. So we'll see, sana masarap. Merong restaurant na halos katulad ng ng sinaserve nila na mas closer dito sa kung saan kami nakatira. But we'll see. Gusto rin namin explore. Gusto rin namin i-try kung ano yung may offer nila. Kasi alam niyo naman, me and Ken are like, we're foodies. And we'd like to try new things. And basta pagkain, hindi namin yan hinihindian. As much as possible, gusto namin i-try. So, ayun. I'll just update you guys later. Ang haba ng pila, guys. It's okay. It's gotta be worth it. So I'm having fried chicken with gravy on top, and then mashed potato, mac and cheese, roll, parang lang siya, bread, and then peach cobbler. And Ken's having, what are you having, Mara?
Pork chop.
Pork chop with fried okra, mac and cheese, and roll. And then meron din siyang, what is this?
Chocolate mousse cake.
Chocolate mousse cake. Let's eat! Dito kami sa Rec Room Shoes, magtitingin-tingin ng mga sapatos. Pang pang dagdag para sa work. Kasi so far yung ginagamit ko for work is isang pair. So I'd like to check if may magustuhan akong something. So while nagpapaga si Ken, pakita ko sa inyo yung nabili namin. Actually, all year round naman sila nagsisale. It's buy one and get the second pair 50% off. So, I'm glad na may napili rin si Ken. So, it was actually a good deal. Pakita ko. Kasi para, hindi ko makalimutan. Ito ba yung sa akin? So, ito yung napili ko. Kay Ken. Ken pala to. Yung una akong nakuha. So, ito yung sa kanya. Wait lang. Tcharan! Skechers. Na slip-on lang siya. Yan. Yan yung kay Ken. And then yung sa akin is slip-on din. It's like, it looks like this. Ito. Tcharan! Sobrang comfy niya, guys. Kasi yung ginagamit kong shoes sa work is my shoelace. So, para mas mas madali. And ayaw ko ring madaling maluma yung shoes na yun kasi gusto ko rin yung shoes na yun eh. So, gusto ko may at least man lang may second pair na magagamit. So, ito. I like it. So, ayun. It was a good deal. And right now, after dito, magpapa car wash muna kami, tas uwi, and magnanap lang siguro ng konti, kasi kailangan namin mag-grocery din mamaya, late in the afternoon, for the, yung weekly grocery shopping namin. So, ayun lang. I'll see you guys later.
So was that one.
Oh, yes. That's nice. Hello. Anong oras na ba? 5:40. So, after namin magpa-car wash, nag-muwi muna kami. Nag-nap. So, nakatulog kami, thankfully. And now, we're on our way to the grocery store. So, yeah, mag-grocery kami for the week. Ayun, yun lang. Pagod kami, guys. Hindi pa kami fully recovered. Ken still has runny nose. Ako, meron pa akong konting ubo. But I feel much better than last week. 2 weeks ago. Last week, actually 2 weeks na akong may sakit. Nung first week, medyo lang, yung parang pagod palagi yung pakiramdam. And then, yung last week, yun na, lumabas na yung ubo, sipon. So, ayun. So, hopefully, this week will be much better. Ayun. And tomorrow's another, another work week. And, ayan. So, may mga days in this week na ako yung magdadrive kasi maagang aalis si Ken for work. And so see you guys at grocery store.